The whole of Instagram sent me this video asking me to do a tutorial. This was not easy to figure out on CAPCUT, but I found a way for you guys and I hope you like it. For this, we're going to be taking 3 pictures. One of you holding up a glass like this, another one pretending to pour out a liquid like this, and a picture of the background. Then just go to Instagram and take a screenshot of this part. Next, use any liquid and just squeeze it out and record a line as it flows out like this. Then record a second video of you pouring out the liquid in the glass we used. Now input all of your photos in the screenshot inside of CAPCUT. Then go to the first photo of you and tap on overlay to drop it below and drag it to the back. Tap on remove BG, custom remover, and select the upper part of your body. This will remove the background, then just position it right where you want it. Do the same thing for the second photo and position it below. Now go to the screenshot, tap on overlay to drop it below and move it to the back. Tap on mask, select mirror and crop out the part we want. Then resize and position it like this. Now to make things easy, just export this video and open it back up in a new project. Then tap on overlay and input the first liquid clip. Tap on remove BG, chroma key, select the background color to remove it. Then go towards the end of the clip and tap on split. Go to the beginning of the clip and tap on the keyframe. Tap on mask, horizontal, and position the mask at the top. Move a little forward and drag the mask down. This will cause the liquid to flow like this. Go to the piece in the front and tap on the keyframe again. Tap on mask, horizontal, tap on invert and drag the mask to the top. Go to the end of the clip and drag the mask below. Finally, tap on overlay and input the glass clip. Tap on remove BG, custom remover, and select only the glass. Then resize it and place it right over the one in your hand. Tap on opacity and drag it down to about 50%. Now once you're happy with how everything looks, export your video and that's it.